Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from USAA to another bank. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that you want to do here is you want to install the USAA mobile app. Now, once you've installed the mobile app, next thing you want to do is you want to log in and you want to select the Zelle option. Once you've selected Zelle, you'll be given to quickly enroll your bank account and bank accounts that you want to transfer to. So they'll be asking you a few set of questions, so make sure that you answer them truthfully. Now from there, they'll be asking you to enroll your email or your mobile number. Now from there, you just need to verify your email address or your mobile number, and they'll be sending you a code to verify your account. Now for you to make a transaction, you'll have to select the account that you want to send from or to receive money. Now from there, you just need to follow the prompts that they'll be asking you and you should be good. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.